Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another Weight Loss Wednesday video. We got Brittany over here driving.
Hey.
We are on our way to Silver Falls and we're gonna hike through a couple waterfalls today. So we thought we'd take you along.
Hey guys, what's up? If you're new, my name is Brittany and that was just Liz. Like she said, we are doing today's another Weight Loss Wednesday video, and so we decided today we wanted to go on another adventure. A lot of you seem to like the Weight Loss Wednesday where we went on our little hiking vlog thing. I'll leave it up here so you can go check that out if you are interested. We decided to go on a bigger adventure this time. We are at the biggest place. We're hoping to walk 7 miles. That's a lot, but we shall see. And there's supposed to be like waterfalls and all kinds of fun stuff. So we decided to do for the Weight Loss Wednesday, like I said, another hike. I want to get my steps in, and again, 7 miles is a lot. So we got our water, we got our snacks, we got our masks, and yeah, I don't know if we have to really wear them on the trail or not, but there's a lot of people here. It's a Saturday, so, but anyways, I thought I would just take you guys along with us and go on this fun adventure. We drove about an hour and a half or so, something like that. So it was a little bit of a drive, but we're really excited to explore. So come along. It's so pretty here. All right, we're entering it. You're so excited.
I am very excited.
Have you ever seen a waterfall?
Cafe. Need some coffee? No.
There's a cafe in here?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Have you ever seen a waterfall before?
On TV?
Do you hear it?
Closely.
We think we hear water already. We've only been going like 2 minutes.
I know, the first one's like right off the trail.
Oh, I see something. Whoa.
Holy cow.
That goes down so far. Whoa. Can you see it?
No, it's
right there.
Oh, there it is. Whoa.
You wanna go down there?
Wow. Look at that.
That's really far away.
That's crazy. Look at all those people down there.
Let's go. I don't know how, but let's go.
It's so far down. There it is. It's just like a water slide. Do you want to go down it?
Yeah, yeah.
Y'all, look at this. That's crazy.
Toes are doing the workout.
This is really steep. I don't know if it's not coming up on camera, but whew, I feel like I'm running down this thing. We're getting close to the waterfall though, I can hear it. It's messing with my eyes when I look at it hard enough. That's so pretty. We gotta really duck. We're literally having to duck. Oh, I'm about to hit my head. What you think, babe?
Pretty cool. 9 more to go.
And this is probably just a baby one compared to the other ones.
I think we're getting close.
And here another one. I don't know if you can see these racks. Yeah, we're going up. It is really hard to walk. It's hard to see. You can kind of see. There's just racks. Well, I think we hear another one. You hear that, baby? That's gonna be me in about 20 minutes. Y'all, these stairs.
They're like a fun house stairs.
They really are. Look at, they go all the way down.
They're all different sizes.
All different sizes. Some of them are broken. There it is. Whoa, look.
There it is, yay.
Wow. Alright, y'all. Well, we have walked 2 miles now.
2.2.
2.2. I had to throw my hat on because my little pasty self is feeling burnt.
So we did 2 out of the 10.
That's pretty good. I mean, we weren't sure if we were going to do all of them or not. That, of course, was the goal. But it's not even that hot out. It's just like you're moving and there's rocks everywhere. So your feet, I mean, we have good boots on, but it's still just going up and down, stepping on rocks like those. I just twisted my ankle. We are still climbing up, y'all. Not much of a view to see, but this is very, very, very steep. You doing okay? I'm telling y'all, after this, we're gonna have buns of steel.
Oh, half quarter off those bad boys.
By the way, that's your code word to be entered into the giveaway. Buns of steel. It's really hard to do this with a mask because you're trying to get all this fresh air in and you can't. I'm dying. I'm so hot. Look at, I look so gross. You're holding it together really well. Y'all see my leg shaking? It's so tired. Okay, guys, we just went up a bunch of very steep hills.
It was like 426 elevation gain, is what my watch says.
Jeez.
So, that's a lot.
It's a lot.
And it was like straight up.
It
It
was-
level off for nothing.
That was rough. The map even says, it said steep exclamation point in red.
And we didn't see it until we started doing it.
But my lungs feel good. Do yours?
Yeah. I
Like-
feel expanded. My chest feels large.
Yeah. Like I feel like I could go sing in an opera. We're less than half a mile from our car. We walked over 2 miles, which is good. Not what we were wanting, but it's tiring, especially when you do the steep hills. That was rough. So, gonna continue to show you guys some more scenery, and hopefully we'll be back to our car soon. We just stopped at the gift shop because it was open. We got a cute little magnet. We always love getting souvenirs, don't we?
Yeah.
Typically, we get shot glasses or toothpick holders. But not today. Well, it
was kind of plain.
they were iffy, yeah. And I like, because the other one, it didn't have the picture of the waterfall. Not really. It was like a little metal thing that was on the shot glass, so you couldn't really see. So this is a better picture of like what we actually saw. So I thought it was more worth it. We're almost back to the car. We got back in our car. Sorry, my little Bob's Burgers hanging down. But anyways, we just got back to our car. We're exhausted.
4 miles.
4 miles. I'm tired and I'm crampy and I'm ready to go take a cold shower and get into some pajamas. And it's only 2 o'clock.
I'm done. Day's over.
But we just kind of wanted to show you a little bit. Sorry if we didn't, I don't know really how much we showed because we were out, of course, we're trying to enjoy ourselves. And it was hot and very, very steep. We need this AC on. Hopefully y'all can still hear us. But anyways, that was it for Weight Loss Wednesday. I just went on a 4-mile hike.
Yay. Good for job. Proud of you.
Thank you. Proud of you too.
Thank you.
I'm tired. My head hurts. I need some water.
I need real food.
And now an hour and a half drive home.
Yay.
Thanks guys so much for watching, and make sure you go check out some of my other Weight Loss Wednesday videos.
Don't forget that code word, everyone.
Yes, don't forget the code word. Thanks guys so much for watching.
And as always,
We'll catch you in the next video. Peace.